Introducing the stylish and practical 2023 SEAT TARRACO 2.0TDI 150 horsepower 7-seater SE Plus. With a sleek grey exterior and loaded with top-notch features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking, this SUV is perfect for families on the go. With 91648 kilometers on the clock and a 2-litre engine, this car is just waiting to hit the road. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags and lane departure warning. And to top it off, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information now.